welcome back to Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the star of the show. I wonder if somebody's coming to visit me, but I don't remember inviting anybody. Somebody and anybody are indefinite pronouns. Do you want to find out more about it? Let's watch. Hit it. Question of the week. Profe Angela, what is the difference between somebody and anybody? Thank you. Derek Liam, British Columbia, Canada. Great question, Derek. The words anybody and somebody are indefinite pronouns that are often confused and should not be interchanged, since they are two words that have two different meanings. As we learned in class before, anybody is a pronoun that is used in the same way as anyone. For example, does anybody or anyone out there have a question? The word somebody is also a pronoun, but it is used in the same way as someone. For example, can somebody or someone come play with me? Usually, anybody is used in negative and interrogative sentences. For example, I don't want to talk to anyone tonight. Or, is anybody welcome to join for free? Whereas somebody is used in affirmative sentences and in question, expecting a particular answer. For example, somebody has obviously made a mistake. Or, do you know somebody who can help you?
Now for this week's sentence challenge.
First, write a negative sentence or question with the pronoun anybody. Then, write an affirmative sentence or question with the pronoun somebody that expects a particular answer. Now remember, both anybody and somebody have different meanings and cannot be used the same way. And if you need help, search online for an example and share it with us. Hey Derek, thank you so much for that awesome question this week. Using somebody and anybody in a sentence can sometimes be confusing, so I hope this video helped. And good luck you guys on this week's sentence challenge. It's like 2 in 1, but if you have any questions about it, just ask me in the comment box and I will instantly give you some help. Alright guys, if you are my English language warriors, hit that like button. And if you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button and become a part of the APA family. That's it this week on Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the star of your English language learning experience. I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend, and I hope to see you next time. See you!